PT Pods is a fresh and innovative fitness idea that turns shipping containers into mini gyms, making it easy to set them up almost anywhere. These pods are a great solution for people who want the freedom to work out without worrying about gym hours or being close to a fitness center. You can rent a PT Pod through a mobile app, and each one has enough room for 2 people to exercise comfortably. Renting it for an hour starts at just $21. This concept has been a big success, with over 100 locations already open in the UK. PT Pods also offer options for businesses and franchising, making it a smart opportunity for entrepreneurs. The QuietEye 1132P is a new monocular that's gearing up for a Kickstarter launch, but we don't have all the details just yet. What we do know is exciting, though. This device will offer 11x magnification, giving you a closer, clearer view of distant objects. Plus, it comes with improved stabilization, so you can enjoy steady, shake-free visuals. Perfect for outdoor adventures, birdwatching, or even concerts. One cool feature is that the QuietEye 1132P will attach to your smartphone, making it even more versatile. This means you'll not only be able to view things up close, but also capture them directly on your phone for photos or videos. It's a handy little gadget that could be a game changer for anyone who loves exploring or just wants a clearer look at the world. Though we're still waiting for the full specs and launch details, the QuietEye 1132P already sounds like an exciting tool to keep an eye on. The Rams Mobile Protos RMX2 is an off-road powerhouse, built to conquer terrain that ordinary SUVs can't handle. It even has a cool feature where it deploys tracks to help climb steep hills as sharp as 70 degrees, making it a real showstopper at the Frankfurt Motor Show. Beyond its rugged capabilities, the Protos RMX2 has some unique design touches. One of the highlights is its folding doors, which took a year and a half to perfect. And here's something unexpected. Each seat comes with an electronic hookah. On April 20th, 2021, Mightyfly introduced the MF-100, an exciting new autonomous air cargo drone that uses a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing system. This innovative drone is designed to revolutionize same-day delivery for businesses. With a cargo capacity of 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, and a speedy cruising pace of 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, it can cover an impressive distance of 600 miles, 965 kilometers. The MF-100 is a game changer, delivering packages up to 3 times faster than traditional delivery methods. It measures about 4 by 5 meters and takes up 2 parking spaces. But you won't need to make any changes to those spaces, since it can take off and land straight up. This means employees only need to load and unload the packages, while the drone takes care of the delivery on its own. The Milwaukee M18 pruning shears are a great tool for trimming trees, even if you accidentally ended up with a 20-meter poplar instead of the shrubs you intended to plant. No worries, though. Poplars can still look great with proper trimming. This pruner features a telescopic handle that extends up to 3 meters, making it easy to reach tall branches. Powered by a battery, it can handle up to 2,000 cuts on a single charge and works on branches as thick as 2.5 centimeters. The manufacturer claims that the tool reduces your workload by 80% and completes tasks 3 times faster than a skilled gardener using a manual pruner. If true, this could save you a lot of time and effort, making tree maintenance much easier and more efficient. Whether you're working on a small shrub or a tall tree, the M18 pruning shears may be just what you need to get the job done quickly and effectively. When thinking about what to pack for your next adventure, consider the Mini Striker RD crossbow. This compact reverse-draw pistol crossbow is lightweight, weighing only 2 kilograms, but it packs a punch suitable for hunting. With a draw weight of 68 kilograms, it can effectively shoot small game like hares from up to 30 meters away. One of the standout features of the Mini Striker RD is its impressive arrow flight speed of 120 meters per second, making it highly efficient for its size. At a price of $300, you not only get the Mini Striker RD, but also 3 arrows included with your purchase. This crossbow is perfect for those who want a powerful yet portable hunting tool that's easy to carry and handle. Whether you're out in the field or exploring the wilderness, the Mini Striker RD is a fantastic addition to your gear, providing reliability and performance whenever you need it. The Mobis Tech Telematics System is a cutting-edge technology designed to boost vehicle connectivity and communication. It brings together a range of useful features. 1. Real-time updates. It keeps you informed about your vehicle's status, like its location, speed, and fuel level, whether you're a driver or managing a fleet. 2. Navigation and traffic info. It provides live navigation help and traffic updates to make your drive smoother and safer. 3. Remote diagnostics. It lets you check your vehicle's health from afar, spotting engine issues and other problems early so you can get maintenance done on time. 4. Emergency help. In case of an accident, it sends automatic crash alerts and connects you to emergency services, enhancing your safety. 5. Vehicle tracking. You can track your vehicle's location in real time, which is great for managing fleets and keeping your vehicle secure. 6. Driver monitoring. It watches driving habits like speed and braking, helping to improve driving behavior and fuel efficiency. The Omnifob is a small, all-in-one remote that lets you control over 100 devices with just a few buttons. To use it, simply connect it to your smartphone and create a list of devices and commands. With the Omnifob, you can start your car, control your smart home, find your lost phone, and even snap selfies, all from one tiny remote. It weighs just 0.4 ounces, making it super portable and easy to carry around. On a single charge, the battery lasts from 1 to 3 weeks, depending on usage. Plus, it has a built-in mini flashlight, which is a handy bonus. The kit also includes a clip, so you can easily attach it to your keys or bag. Though it's packed with cool features, the Omnifob does come with a price tag of at least $100. But if you love the idea of controlling multiple devices with a single remote, it's a great tool to simplify your life and keep everything at your fingertips. The Fry Designs Morph Strap is a cool and practical smartphone accessory that offers way more than just a carrying strap. With over 1.2 billion smartphones sold globally last year, it's safe to say almost everyone has one. If every one of those phones were sent to Egypt, each person would own 11 phones. So why not make yours stand out? The Morph Strap is designed to turn into both a selfie stick and a tripod, making it super handy for capturing photos or videos on the go. It's already a hit among social media users, especially makeup artists, who love its versatility. Despite all its functions, it only adds 2 millimeters to your phone's thickness, so it stays slim and easy to carry. Motorola is still turning heads with its latest innovation, a rollable smartphone that can transform into a wearable bracelet. Picture a phone that wraps around your wrist like a slap bracelet. It feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The most exciting part is the flexible POLED display, which stretches out to a full 6.9 inches diagonally, almost as big as a small tablet. Though it's still just a concept, this rollable phone is catching everyone's attention with its sleek, cyberpunk-inspired look. Even if it never makes it to store shelves, this concept shows Motorola is still pushing the limits of smartphone design. It's a cool glimpse into the future of tech and has definitely got people talking. The Mount Logan is a unique all-in-one modular kit designed to tackle multiple tasks with ease. It serves as a vacuum cleaner, air compressor, washer, jump starter, power bank, and flashlight, all in a single, compact device. The creators claim it's the first kit of its kind, combining so many useful functions into one handy tool. Perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or emergency situations. Mount Logan is built to be a go-to gadget for all kinds of situations. Whether you need to clean up, inflate a tire, wash something off, jumpstart a vehicle, charge your devices, or light the way, this kit has you covered. They're preparing to launch a Kickstarter campaign soon, giving people the chance to back this innovative device. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of tasks, Mount Logan might just be the perfect solution. A nano bar head flashlight is a compact, portable light that packs powerful illumination into a small, convenient design. Its nano size means it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, whether you're attaching it to your keychain, keeping it in your pocket, or stashing it in a backpack. Despite its small size, this type of flashlight delivers a bright, focused beam, perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or even quick household tasks. The bar head design refers to the flat, wide shape of the light's front, providing a broader, more even spread of light compared to traditional flashlights. This makes it great for illuminating larger areas without losing its brightness. With a simple switch or button, you can easily turn it on and off, making it convenient to use when you need light fast. Whether you're camping, working in low light conditions, or need a backup light source, Napa Spy gloves are a cool blend of tech and practicality, almost like something a superhero would use. These gloves come with a built-in tracking module, so if you ever misplace them, you can easily locate them using your smartphone. They can even play a sound when triggered remotely, adding an extra layer of functionality. What makes them even more convenient is their touchscreen compatibility. You don't have to take them off when using your phone or ATMs, making them ideal for colder climates or outdoor use. According to the sellers, these gloves are cutting edge, designed to be the most advanced gloves on the market. However, there's a catch. The battery isn't rechargeable, and it only lasts for about a year. This could be a downside for those looking for long-term use. Despite this, the gloves offer a unique combination of convenience and tech features for $100 a pair. Introducing OctiLock, a cutting-edge biometric smart lock for steering wheels. This high-tech device uses your fingerprint for access, similar to how you unlock a smartphone, and can also be controlled via mobile app. For extra protection, a 100 decibel alarm, as loud as thunder, activates during theft attempts. Built to withstand extreme force, even a 12-ton hydraulic cutter, OctiLock keeps thieves at bay. It supports up to 40 fingerprints, making it perfect for families or multiple users. Plus, with a single charge lasting 6 months, it's both powerful and convenient. You can find it on Indiegogo. The Oppo AirGlass 3 concept is a bold leap in wearable tech, showing us what the future of augmented reality, AR, could look like. This cutting-edge device is designed to seamlessly combine digital info with the real world, giving users a truly immersive AR experience. What makes the AirGlass 3 so appealing is its sleek and lightweight design, similar to regular glasses, making it easy and comfortable to wear for long periods. It uses advanced micro-LED displays to project clear, high-quality images right into your field of view. Introducing the Padcaster, the cool upgrade that turns your smartphone into a teleprompter in just minutes. This handy device works with a variety of tablets and DSLR cameras, and users have had great success with it on the iPhone 7 Plus. Over 10,000 schools have embraced teleprompters like this one to improve their teaching, especially for online learning. The Padcaster comes with a Bluetooth remote control for easy operation, and its dedicated app lets you tweak font size, scrolling speed, and margins to suit your needs. You can even save your scripts in Dropbox, so they're always within reach. The package includes 13 mounting rings. The Pausable Pro Tent is a dream come true for campers with pets. It's designed to comfortably fit 3 people and a dog, making it perfect for adventures with your furry friend. The tent even has a separate entrance just for your pet, along with their own windows and a special spot for their food bowl. Plus, you can easily let your dog into the main tent without stepping outside, a real convenience when camping. Not only is it great for pets, but it's also designed with humans in mind. Weighing just 3.1 kilograms, the Pausable Pro is lightweight and can be set up in just 5 minutes. It's durable enough for year-round camping, thanks to its aircraft-grade aluminum construction, and it's windproof with a rain cover to keep you dry during bad weather. Despite all these amazing features, the tent is surprisingly affordable, retailing for only $100. Our pots are getting a high-tech upgrade. Meet this smart pot, which features 70 different emotional expressions. It's not just a cool gadget. It actively monitors your plant's environment and displays a sad or upset face if something's not right. This helps you quickly see if your plant is happy or needs some extra care. The pot comes with sensors for humidity and light, so it keeps track of your plant's needs. It also has an AI system that makes it feel like a blend between a Tamagotchi and a pet. The pot can react to touch and sometimes even performs playful actions like winking. At just 10 ounces and powered by a 2,000 milliamp hour battery, this smart pot starts at $69. It's a fun and interactive way to keep your plants healthy and happy.